Highlight on the day is the crude oil market. SR counter trend V2M, 1M, 5M, and 15M all hitting $475 profit targets. SR counter trend 2 crude oil plus 475. SR counter trend 4 crude oil. Really, the fastest trade on the day in crude oil was SR counter trend 4. Really picture perfect trade to capture that move. Plus 475, and it's had about 9 winners in a row since December the 13th. SR counter trend 3 crude oil A plus 475. SR counter trend 3 crude oil B plus 475. Cobra crude aggressive minus $5 break even. Obviously, the best type of trading in this market right now is this slow rising bull market that we have is to buy pullbacks. I anticipate a time in crude oil when it will start to run from us, and it might be hard to buy those pullbacks. And so Cobra Crude has the ability to capture those moves if this market goes into the mode where it doesn't pull back as much. So gap fill in reverse, minus 305, tried to short it, hard to short type of market. E-mini S&P, good trades on the day. SR counter trend 2 E-mini S&P had an $800 profit target, didn't get there, but exited at the end of the day, plus 475. Mirror, plus 450. These ranges are getting narrow as we move higher here. The market has a tendency to do that as volatility shrinks and ranges narrow. Could be the end of the cycle, or it could stay here for a while, and strategies like these will continue to buy these dips. This market could continue to rise. Try not to call a top, although it's tempting. Focus on these types of strategies and manage your risk around them. 487.50 on Cobra CT3, E-mini S&P, 60-minute breakout, minus 25 on the day. Similar to crude oil, just a slow rising bull market where buying the dips are sometimes better than the breakouts, and then the breakouts will come into play, and you can take the breakouts. Night trader, it's plus 50 on the day. Took this trade, just a narrow ranging day. As you can see better on the 1-minute chart. 60-minute breakout. We are not trading this right now. It just continues to be hard to short this market, and those are actually good long trades. So you could reverse this strategy and have probably a really good long strategy based on just taking that opposite side of trying to take breakouts to the downside. That tends to be a dip buying opportunity right now. Adaptive moving average plus 312.50. Asia 4 long plus 150. It's most recent trades. Just taking the overnight trade here as well as the market continues to move higher. Let's look at NQ. E-mini NASDAQ gap continuation 2019. Taking the breakout trade did not work. Big move up at the beginning of the day. Market opened down here in the 13.6 area, rallied to the 17.3 area. 100-point range is kind of, it looks big here, but it's getting narrow because we've been having bigger and bigger ranges, and now this range right here that's 100 points, roughly 100 points, looks big on the day. So we were used to 200-point counter trend rallies in the NASDAQ, and now we're just seeing a 100-point range. So that's pretty narrow. Gap continuation 2020, minus 325 on the day as well. Managing the risk with a tight stop loss. A bigger stop loss would not have worked on that day. And 60-minute breakout. This is an old strategy. Old version, we're not trading this older version right here. It is down on the day, minus 1335. We're trading some of the newer versions. In the Beta C workspace for the breakouts, that was minus 525 on the day for this one. For the A version, and plus 315 on the B version. VSDES, minus 462.50. No follow through. PR breakout, no follow through, minus 325. Tick wave did not trade today, but it continues to do really well, hitting new equity peaks. Hit equity peaks yesterday. Let's take a look at this. Here is this strategy, one of the new strategies, and here are the results since 2013. It is up 2687.50 this year, up 15K in the last 12 months. So Tick wave is doing well. Tick wave NQ did not trade yesterday or today. Gap continuation reverse, one of our new strategies. No follow through the upside. Good entry though. That's a good entry. Looked like a little bit of a sell-off here at the end of the day. Market worked its way right back towards the highs. Uh, just a small profit on that trade though because of the ranges, so plus 100. And we've already looked at crude oil, and we haven't looked at beta B. The gap continuation with the big stop loss did not work well either. Minus 725. VSD minus 495. Just can't get a follow through today on these trades. EVP2 gold got short, market reversed, stopped out minus 525. Viper, no follow through, trying to catch the move back to the highs, no follow through, it rolled over. And then you see EVP1 NQ, tried to short it, minus 350. Natural gas, no trades on the day. RBOB, nice trade, plus 479. Gold, we have the Asia Golds that are doing well, but those didn't trade today. Asia Gold 4 short, minus 525 on the day. And that was it for the gold trade. Silver, no trades on the day. Euro, plus 156.25. Soybeans, no trades on the day. Exhaust in reverse, no trades on the day. And that's some of the older strategies. And so those are the trades on the day. Going to be reorganizing these workspaces again when I get a chance to where some of these beta strategies are actually in the right workspace. So for example, the NQ strategies will go in the NQs, and the ES strategies will go in the ES workspaces, and so on. So that's the update on the day for February the 9th, 2021.